গীত সবেই গাব লাগিব সবৰে মনত আছে নহয় জানো মনত নাথাকিলে ক'লা যে বিষয় হ'ব গাব লাগিব সবে First of all, we are going to sing Indian national anthem. Come on.
Adhinayaka jaya he Bharata bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha এই ঐক্যতার করার আগতে আমার মাননীয় মাইকে
They are each of the white pigeons, which symbolizes the peace and harmony, with the prayer and expectation that this friendship would last long forever, as long as the people, so-called people, exist on earth. Let our friendship be alive. Thank you so much. Now on this. And all of you please get ready for national anthem of both India and Bhutan. Dhan Majun Singh.
Abhi Raj,